Hello. Now let me explain the notebook. About the first question, AI principles and fairness. How did I ensure my model follows AI principles, and what did I do to address fairness and bias? To make the model more aligned with responsible AI, I focus on fairness, transparency and accountability. Because this credit dataset is highly imbalanced, I did not rely on accuracy alone. The dummy baseline already had an accuracy of 0.9215, but its LC AUC was only 0.5, so I was not actually useful. So it actually use it because it's not useful. Because of this, I use RCAUC as a primary metric, and I also reported PRAUC precision, recall, and F1 score. Doing pre-processing, I handled missed values, replaced abnormal values such as 365243 in the deployment variable, and remove the constant columns. I also used the class weights in catboost so the model could pay more attention to the minority default class. To address fairness and bias, I compared model behavior across gender, family status, and real estate ownership. I checked the differences in positive prediction rate, TPR, and FPR. The results showed that the gap for flag home realty was small, but the gap for code, gender, and especially name family status were longer. This means the model is useful, but the fairness is still not perfect. So it should be monitored carefully and not used as a fully automatic decision tool. About the second question, improving model interpretability, methods did I use to make model interpretable, and how do they support ethical decision making? To improving interpretability, I used both global and local explanation method. At global uh, at global level, I examined the feature importance. The most important feature was ext source, ext source 2, days employed, ext source 1, and name education type. This helps show which factors influence the model and the most overall. And the local level, I look at one validation case and check which features increase or decrease the predicted risk for the person. This is useful because it helps explain an individual prediction instead of only showing the final score. I also check the calibration, and results show that predicted probability will not perfectly align with the observed default rates, so the model is useful for ranking risk. The predicted probability should still be interpreted carefully. These interpretability methods support ethical decision making because they make the model more transparent, make its predictions easier to review, and reduce the risk of treating the model as a black box. In academic decision setting, this is important because model outputs can affect people's financial opportunities. Thank you. And this is my the outputs, and the final is a little report on myself.